Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'm taking a quick look at a unique keycap set sent over from Awekeys. This keycap set is a prototype of the Awekeys full metal keycap set that will be on Kickstarter around the 26th, and I'll have their website in the description if you're interested. Inside the box is, well, the keycaps. The set they sent me is burgundy red, and the colors are very nice. Some keys like the function row are different colors, which is not how the final set will be released, but these are just for me to show you what each of the colors will look like. Most keycaps on the market are made of either ABS or PBT plastic, but what makes this set special is they're made of recycled metal, which is quite heavy, so definitely use switches with a higher actuation force. Also, by using recycled material, Awekeys has apparently reduced the carbon footprint of their products and made them more environmentally friendly, so that's really great to hear. The material and weight make them feel really premium, and they look the part with nice crisp legends. They're CNC'd too rather than injection molded, so they look much cleaner. Now the material may look and feel really cool, but how about the sound? To test this, I'm using my trusty Zoom 65 V2, which is currently rocking Wuche Studio Red switches on a polycarbonate plate with all the foams. Let's see how the sound of the metal keycaps compares to that of the PBT keycaps currently on it. So with the keycaps, the sound is a little less crisp and a lot deeper, which I didn't really expect. I think the sound is very unique and I really like it. Also, the spacebar is really cool sounding. Obviously the PBT keycaps are tried and true and they sound pretty good, but the metal keycaps have a very unique sound. It's worth mentioning that the keyboard feels a lot heavier because of the added weight of the keycaps. The Zoom 65 V2 is already pretty hefty, but dang, these keycaps added a lot of weight. Also, although these are cherry profile, I noticed they sit slightly higher on the switch than other keycap sets. Not a bad thing, but just something to keep in mind. So would I recommend these keycaps? Starting at $149 a set, I think they're actually not a bad price for what you're getting. Compared to other metal keycaps, these are some of the cheapest you can find. These are available in a ton of colors including burgundy red, which I have, royal blue, emerald green, mint, lavender, obsidian black, ivory white, and 3 special editions which include gold, silver, and titanium black. In fact, these special edition keycaps are actually plated with gold, silver, or titanium respectively. That's not even to mention the 2 finish options you can get, which include metallic matte, which I believe I have, and pearl glossy, which obviously is a more glossy and shiny look. The one thing I do think could be better is the layout support. It's almost perfect, but there's no Tsangin bottom row support, which, considering most people aren't slapping this set on a super budget board, isn't the best. To be fair to Awekeys, Tsangin bottom row isn't the most common, and more keycaps means a higher price, so it does kinda make sense why they wouldn't include it. Overall, these keycaps are really cool, and I would definitely suggest picking them up if you have the budget for them. Just keep in mind that they do lean towards that deeper, thockier sound profile. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and thank you Awekeys for sending out the keycaps. See you guys later. Bye!